Welcome to the ultimate guide to choosing the perfect lawnmower for your needs. Today, we'll explore a variety of options, from cordless wonders to classic gas-powered machines. First up, the Greenworks 60 volts 21 cordless lawn mower. With its powerful 60 volts battery, this mower delivers performance comparable to gas-powered models without the noise or emissions. LED headlights illuminate your path for early morning or late evening mowing, while its 4-in-1 system allows for mulching, side discharge, rear bagging, and turbo leaf pickup. Plus, its aluminum handles fold vertically for compact storage. Next, we have the Power Select Cut LM2156SP. This self-propelled mower boasts a Select Cut multi-blade system for customizable cutting performance. Its Dutch drive technology puts complete control in your hands, while the 56 volts battery provides up to 75 minutes of runtime. With variable speed self-propel and 8 cutting height positions, this mower offers versatility and efficiency. For those seeking versatility, the Black plus Decker combination string trimmer, lawn mower, and edger is a game changer. This 3-in-1 tool easily converts from mower to trimmer to edger with an automatic feed system for continuous work. Its power drive transmission prevents bogging down, while adjustable height settings and a pivoting handle provide added convenience. Maintaining a healthy lawn is easy with the Greenworks 10M14 corded electric dethatcher. Ideal for early spring or fall dethatching, this powerful tool features stainless steel tines for reliable performance. With a 14 dethatching path and 3-position height adjustment, you can tackle tough jobs quickly and efficiently. Briggs & Stratton's self-propelled lawnmower combines power and durability for a superior mowing experience. Featuring a 150cc gas engine with ready start technology, this mower offers effortless starting every time. With a 22-inch steel deck, adjustable cutting heights, and 3-in-1 functionality, it's perfect for tackling any terrain. YardMax's gas walk-behind push lawnmower is built to last. With a heavy-duty steel deck and max flow technology for improved mulching. Its single-lever deck adjustment and 7 cutting heights provide versatility and convenience. While a durable, seamless steel deck reduces vibration for a smoother ride. For smaller lawns, the LawnMaster cordless 13-inch lawnmower is a lightweight yet powerful option. Powered by a 24 volts max Li-ion battery, this mower offers effortless cutting with 5 adjustable height positions. With its compact design and included batteries, it's perfect for quick and easy lawn maintenance. Last but not least, the Greenworks 40 volts 20 twin-blade mower offers the perfect balance of power and convenience. With up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged battery, this mower is ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Its twin blades provide superior cut quality, while Smart Cut technology adjusts for power or runtime based on grass thickness. Whether you prefer the convenience of cordless technology or the reliability of gas power, there's a lawnmower for every need and budget. Choose wisely and enjoy a beautifully manicured lawn all season long.